When you take a walk out in nature, your perspective changes. You realize that these trees aren't being anything but trees. They just are. They let go when they're supposed to. They stay firmly rooted. They stand tall. They're content. And they're not competing with each other. They're actually supporting each other. Like one tree, like if this sick tree, they'll all rally around and support the tree. If someone needs water, they'll pass it along through the roots. We should be more like the trees.